Okay, hola clase. Ahora vamos a hablar. We are going to talk about capítulo 3, vocabulario, parte 1, which is on classroom items and some verbs to go along with that. So, here we go. Número 1 or dos on here, so slide dos. You're going to put la escuela. This is a word that we already know, but it's school. Tres. Try and figure them out from the pictures. La aula. Classroom. Again, you can pause the video. I'm going to go through these quick. El pupitre, a school desk. So you've learned escritorio. Escritorio means desk as well, but that is in reference to a casa. So el pupitre, school desk. Una pregunta, you're familiar with that one as well, a question. La calculadora, calculator. Las carpetas, folders, and y'all try to repeat them with me. Repitan. El bolígrafo, pen. El lápiz, or plural, los lápices. We briefly mentioned this the first few days of school. If you remember from your alphabet sheet, anything that ends in a Z, when you make it plural, it changes to a C. El lápiz, los lápices. Pencil or pencils. El marcador, los marcadores. Marker or markers. La computadora, el ordenador. You can use both. I usually say this. Remember, I tell you to close your computadoras. El cuaderno, spiral notebook, or just notebook in general. El diccionario, diccionario. Again, y'all try and practice pronouncing these. It's going to really help you. Dictionary, for whenever we have an oral test. La mochila, la mochila. Backpack, backpack, as Dora the Explorer sings it. El papel, paper. La regla, ruler. Tijeras, scissors, sorry. Oh boy. El reloj, los relojes. Clock, watch, clocks and watches. It could be either or. Los útiles escolares, school supplies. La grapadora, stapler. La cinta, tape. El libro, book. El móvil, or celular. We're all familiar with that one. Cell phone. El MP3, yep. That's a borrowed word in Spanish because they don't have a word for that, so they say MP3 as well, or MP3. La música, music, you know that one. Un DVD or DVD, same thing, DVD. Now we're going to move on to some verbos that have to do with classroom, other things as well that I want you to be familiar with starting to practice verbs. Not how to conjugate them yet, we haven't learned that, but just what they mean. Regresar, to go back or to return. And you remember talking about Spain, I just said that like a Spaniard. Regresar, zar, instead of regresar. So I tend to do that. Regresar. Ir a pie, that this does not mean pie. I do not want to hear y'all say pie. Pie, pie. Ir a pie. Ir a pie. Practice saying it. I do not want to hear pie. To go on foot. Navegar la red or el internet. To navigate the web or internet or web surf, however you say it. Enviar un correo electrónico. To send an email. Enviar un correo electrónico. Enseñar, that's what I do. To teach. Estudiar, to study. Remember, anytime the verb is in its regular form, which means when it ends in an R, it means to something. So to study, right? Escuchar, to listen. Y'all remember this? Y'all know this, and I conjugate it as a command form to say, escuchan, listen, and some of y'all repeat me when I say that. Hablar, to talk. Mirar, to look. You'll hear me in class say, mira, mira, like, look over here, mira. Prestar atención, to pay attention. Levantar la mano, you're familiar with this one because I say, levanta la mano, raise your hand if, blank, 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 to raise the hand. Contestar, to answer. Who? Me? ¿Quién? Yo? Dar un examen or una prueba, to give an exam or a quiz. Tomar un examen, to take a test. That must help him, sticking out the tongue. Sacar una nota buena or alta, to receive a good grade, or sacar una nota mala or baja, to receive a low grade or a bad grade. We all want this over here. Ir, that just means to go. This is a very popular verb. You're going to have to know how to conjugate later. So the rest. Dar, to give apples to the teachers. And that is all. So practice going over these words. Practice pronouncing them. Okay, con tu pronunciación. All right, repeat the words after I say them and write them all down. Take good notes because I'm coming for you. All right, adios.